It seems like every year in tech is just one more small step forward. Then Samsung quietly releases something that slightly changes the direction, and all of a sudden, everything seems important again. Along with the standard updates, Samsung is said to be adding a wider design approach to the foldable family. That means the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, and the Galaxy Z Flip 8 could be on the table. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 has now been approved by China's 3C, and it can be charged quickly with 25 watts. As that level is the same as the last one, there isn't a big jump here, just stability. The bigger story, though, is taking place around the other two gadgets. There are also two new model numbers in the 3C database. They are SMF9710 and SMF9760. Based on how Samsung usually names their phones, these are likely the Chinese versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. The certification information says that both devices can charge up to 15 volts and 3 amps, which is 45 watts when linked together. When compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which could only be charged via 25-watt cable, that would be a big improvement. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold might finally be able to charge faster if this information is correct. This is something that many users have been hoping for. A new leak says that Samsung is planning to do something much bigger than anybody thought in July. Not only the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but also a brand new wide folding 2. I mean, that's not even the most interesting part. There's something else. It looks like the S Pen will be back soon. The Korea Economic Times says that Samsung's next unpacking event will be held in London on July 22nd. This will be the company's 6th global event, which shows how serious it is about its foldables. What if this turns out to be true? The long-rumored wide-folding phone and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be shown off at the same time. A moment that could quietly change everything Samsung makes. In addition, it goes well with Samsung's new style. There's no clear mention of the Galaxy Z Flip 8, which is strange. But let's be honest, it wouldn't be the same without it. It's the same with the next Galaxy Watch, which generally gets some attention too. But the S Pen is what really makes you feel something. It was taken off quietly with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 last year, so that the phone would be smaller. Technically, that choice made sense, but longtime fans didn't think it was the right one. It looks like Samsung is ready to fix that now. According to the story, the S Pen might come back soon after the wide foldable is released.